Hello, it's me Shifa and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to give you a quick room tour of my hostel room. Currently I am pursuing my MBA from Nirma University and I'm going to complete my first year soon, and I'm going to go out of Nirma due to my internship. So I thought of recording a quick room tour so that if you are someone who are going to join Nirma University and you're looking for how a girls hostel room at Nirma looks like, it may be helpful for you or anyone else who just love to watch room tour videos. This is for you. Let's get started. Now as we have moved to our room, I will first let you know about my study area. So on the left hand side, we are having our study desk. There are some posters that I kept of my family, friends and few others. Next up, this is a gift that I got from my roommate. And this, if you know, we got it from Blinkit, and I just colored it a little bit and I pasted it over here. This is the place where I just write all the clothes that I give for laundry so that I don't forget. And yeah, this is how the table look like. Up, I am having these books that I do read sometimes, and most of them are gifted to me by my friend. And these are the term 3 books. Yeah, we do have few books this time. Up next, I'm having the stationeries over here, and at the topmost, as you can see, few other stuffs are there. That one basically is fruit basket, and this one is gifted to me by my friend, this one by my auntie, and that's it. We are having this chair, and now there we have this drawer where I do keep other stationeries like stickers and etc etc. Next, we are having another drawer where I have kept all the first and second semester books and few other stuffs. So yes, that's how the study area look like. Yeah, now that we have completed the study area, I will simply move to the right hand side where I'm having my bed and other things. So this is the entrance, and after you enter on the right hand side, we are having our almirah, and these are the few more posters that I have added. And the almirah is a huge area. You can keep a lot of stuffs over here. Also down below, we are having an area where we keep our shoes. Now next, move to this place. We are having a drawer here. I mostly keep random stuffs, foods, some skincare materials, medicines and all other things that you need at any time of your day. So I kept all the things here. Next up, the water bottles and few food stuffs, laptop. These are the things, these are day-to-day needs. Next, this is also a gift from my friend. I just keep my gifts here and there in my room so that, you know, we are far away from our near ones, but these are the things that stay with you. So I keep, like, it's my whole room is like, you will find mostly like this is also a gift. So yeah, majority of the items that you will see in my room, they are mostly gifts, because you know I love my near ones and I just miss them a lot. So yeah, this is the thing, and this is a place where I kept you know, my spoons and scissors. And recently my birthday was there, and this was the decoration made by my roommates. It's So lovely. This room automatically brights up with this decoration. This once again is a gift. 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 I kept these all these things here because my birthday was few days back, and I thought of keeping them here. I will just reschedule their places later on, but for now let it be there. And this is actually a room freshener. I know it's like this. And now let's come to the bed. So this is the bed, and you get a drawer, another drawer here. So like I keep all my bags and extra things like iron over here. And this is the stuff. This is also a gift I got from my friend. And yeah, that's how the room is like. So yeah, that is actually a window. We made this kind of curtain from our bed sheet because in the morning the sun rays are unbearable. That's why I just made this. And yeah, this AC over here. I will also show you the balcony. We are having one window and then the balcony is there, and it's me. This is the place where I just click my mirror selfies mostly. And now let's get inside to the washroom area. We have sink area this side and the washrooms. Next, let's go to the balcony. This is the front area of girls hostel, and as you can see the beauty, that is a place where people mostly go and read. That's only for the girls. And then we are having that main building that you can see, that big, I hope, yeah, main building. And yeah, that's how it is. And this is how it looks like from there. So yes, that was the room tour video. At Nirma University, we are having one girls hostel, that is H4, where we are having two kind of accommodation. As you saw mine, we live 3 girls at one room with attached washroom. There is another accommodation where 2 girls stay with attached washroom. Other than that, we do have ACs in all the floors. I think the first floor or the ground floor don't have AC, so if you don't want AC, you can avail for that too. At the same time, there is another accommodation where 6 people stay together in a room, so you can just opt for that also. So yeah, that was it. I hope this video was useful to you in one way or other. Thank you.